Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enable LED light on your party box JBL Encore Essential. So let's start with open the application and I will show it to you here. So right now you can enable it by clicking this LED light button on your party box. So click one time and I just enable. And if I press again, I will swap between these modes. But you can also just click by yourself on the best one for you mod. And if you want to disable it, just click here. And after the last one mod, what call like flash, we can disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.